Let's be real for a second. Every year, it's the exact same boring routine, right? Some manufacturer hypes up a slightly shinier glass slab, shaves off 5 minutes of charging time, moves the camera bump a millimeter to the left, and calls it a revolutionary breakthrough. We're all exhausted. We sit through 2-hour launch events just waiting for something, anything, to genuinely blow our minds. Well, grab your popcorn, because today we are taking a time machine straight into 2026. Because today, Sony did something that Apple and Samsung wouldn't even dare to dream of. Forget the boring old flagships. Forget the cookie-cutter designs. Today, we are talking about a certified beast that just walked up, kicked the throne's door open, and claimed it for itself, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IX. Won the design, a Bugatti on your palm. The moment you pick this phone up, your brain is going to short-circuit. You won't feel like you're holding a smartphone, you'll feel like you're gripping the steering wheel of a Bugatti Veyron. Sony has officially ditched the tired glass and plastic playbook. On the back, you get a scratch-resistant matte black finish that feels like silk to the touch, yet boasts the rock-solid durability of solid granite. Wrap that in aerospace-grade aluminum frame rails with micro-textured lines, and you have a trifecta of pure style, class, and unbreakable grip. Now, let's talk about that camera module. That lazy, uninspired vertical camera bump that you've stared at on iPhones and Samsungs until your eyes hurt. Sony threw it straight into the digital dumpster. In its place sits a gorgeous champagne gold metallic camera housing that gleams against the matte black body like a king wearing a golden suit of armor. Oh, and look closely at the bottom edge. Yes, you're looking at a rare, endangered species that mega corporations killed off years ago, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Because Sony actually remembers that true audiophiles still worship wired sound. The display, a cinema in your pocket. The second that screen lights up, your eyes are going to lock in place and refuse to look away. We're talking about a 6.55-inch 4K HDR OLED display cranking at a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching the nuclear blasts in Oppenheimer on Netflix or sniping enemies across the map in Call of Duty Mobile, every single pixel is so shockingly sharp and crisp that you'll catch yourself asking, wait, is this a smartphone or an IMAX screen? The color grading is pulled straight from Sony's high-end $6,000 Bravia TVs. Take it out under the blazing midday sun, and the peak brightness is so blindingly high that people sitting in the shade will still be able to read your screen. The DSLR killer camera. Here it is, the absolute nuke that Sony built this entire phone around. Stamped right onto that champagne gold housing is the legendary Zeiss T coating, the exact same optical wizardry used on Hollywood's multi-million-dollar cinema cameras. And the sensor, 300 megapixels. You read that right, you can literally zoom in on a stranger a block away and count the threads on their shirt. Shoot a photo at 2 a.m. in pitch darkness, and the algorithm pulls in so much natural light it looks like dawn. Zero noise, pure clarity. Backing that up is a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor that captures sprawling landscapes with zero barrel distortion, alongside a periscope telephoto lens that keeps your shots crystal clear even at 20x zoom. Need depth. The 3D to F sensor delivers a natural, creamy background blur that will make people think you're hauling around a professional DSLR rig. And videographers, listen up. Forget basic 4K 60 FPS. This monster shoots 4K 120 FPS HDR video. Water droplets hang suspended in midair, spinning fan blades freeze in motion. It's the kind of hyper-detailed slow-motion footage that guarantees your next YouTube upload goes viral. Flip it around, and you get a 50-megapixel selfie shooter that will have your followers flooding your comments asking what professional film crew is standing behind you. Raw performance. Tucked underneath that gorgeous chassis beats the heart of the most aggressive processor on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Lag and stutter don't even know what this chip looks like. Backed by 12GB to 16GB of screaming fast LPDDR6 RAM and up to 512GB of UFS storage, you can run 20 heavy apps simultaneously while rendering a 4K video in the background, and the phone won't even break a sweat. Gamers, rejoice! Thanks to an advanced vapor chamber cooling system, you can grind competitive matches for hours and the phone will stay as ice cold as your ex's heart. Battery life, the marathon runner. Let's talk endurance. This beast packs a massive 6000 mAh battery. Wake up at 8 a.m., stream 4K video, game for hours, snap hundreds of photos, and by midnight, you'll still be sitting comfortably above 30% battery. And when you finally do need juice, it supports ultra-fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. If your friend's phone dies midday, just slap it on the back of your Xperia and rescue them like a superhero. Pricing and verdict. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, the price tag. Excellence like this doesn't come cheap. It's expected to land in the global market around $1,400 to $1,500. It's an investment, yes, but what you're getting is a technological masterpiece that will stand tall like Mount Everest for the next 4 to 5 years. Buy it once, and coast in peace. Over to you, tech family. Are you going to stay stuck in the same old predictable loop, buying the same round-cornered iPhone or standard glass Samsung box? Or are you ready to own something bold, original, and relentlessly powerful? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 9 the ultimate phone of the year, or is the mainstream crowd sticking to Apple and Samsung? Let's talk about it.